If you have self-rising flour at home and you don't know what to make with it, then this recipe is for you. Then if you're somebody that wants to make Nigerian buns with self-rising flour and you've been finding out how you're going to make it, this recipe is for you. You don't need baking powder. Add in all your ingredients. I use 500 grams of self-rising flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar to your taste. I didn't add salt because my butter is slightly salted. 50 grams of butter. I'm going to go on now to mix it all together. Add in 1 egg. Add in any flavor of your choice. In my case, I decided to use vanilla flavor because I wanted my buns recipe to taste a bit unique. I added 1 cup of normal temperature water. You can use normal temperature water. You can use warm water if you want the ingredients to be easily dissolved in your dough. Mix it until you get this thick batter like so. This is the consistency we are going for. It should be easy for you to scoop and cut your butter into the oil like so. It shouldn't be lighter than this. Now you are not wasting time at all. You're just going to go on now to set your butter aside. Go on to heat up your oil and get ready to fry. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share, do comment. Tell me what you think about this recipe. It's so easy. Scoop your butter like so into the oil. Stir continuously until you have a golden brown look. You can decide to bake this recipe by scooping it into your cupcake pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. You may need to check that carefully until fully brown if you know you're not comfortable with frying this recipe. Take it out of the oil when it is fully brown. Set in a sieve or salvet to strain excess oil, and you can see how yummy, crunchy, and the unique thing about this recipe is that it increases its size so easily. The buns is crunchy on the outside while being soft and fluffy on the inside. So that is the kind of buns recipe you want to get when you make it, that you're gonna get when you make your Nigerian buns or your buns recipe with self-rising flour. See you next time. Bye bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.